First one.
Oh, hey! Back again for another unboxing video. So, probably wondering, Jermaine, what else could you possibly buy? The other two videos were like $80-something, $100 worth of things. Literally, what could you possibly buy? And you know, I asked myself the same question. Jermaine, why is it that you have such terrible spending habits? And the simple answer is, because I'm an idiot. So, let's start with, oh, perfect, and it's sat perfectly. So, this is selfie stick. Jermaine, why do you need a selfie stick? You're not an Instagram thought. Okay, there's something else in there. You're not an Instagram thought. What you possibly need a selfie stick for? And you're right. That I am not. But this selfie stick is special. Let's see. Designed for bullet time. Look at that. Nice. Oh, actually. And you guys will see what this is when I actually test it out. So I'll sit this right here. Boom. This is Delkin Devices Fat Gecko Triple Mount. Optimal stability. 3 industry locking suction cups. 6 points of adjustment for the perfect angle. Universal 1/4 20 tripod mount. Supports DSLRs, camcorders, lighting devices up to 12 pounds. Impossible shots made possible. Now that's pretty sick. Delkin Devices, you're expensive, but at least you guys have some good slogans. So let's see how I'm going to open this. This probably would have been better with some scissors, but oh my god, this knife sucks, and I'm really not trying to like cut the bejesus out of myself. Give me a second. Almost fell. Yeah, people, I'm really a buffoon. It was just that easy. But yeah, I'm losing it. Need sleep. So yeah, this is basically simple. It's a triple suction mount. Okay then, potato on it. Yeah, this thing's kind of fine. You already know I got the grip on it. Stay with that stick. You know, vibes. But that's fire. I did not know that was a thing. that actually might. And then, last, and definitely not least, because this is the most important component to this whole entire thing, the Insta360 1R Twin Edition Interchangeable Lens Action Cam. Dual lens 360 4K wide angle. And you're probably wondering, Jermaine, why didn't you get the 1-inch mod? First of all, do any of you niggas put money in my... Actually, you do. So thank you. Just by watching and supporting and maybe even buying from my eBay store for the few people who do. But that's a lot of money. And I'll start off with this one. And then down the line, I'll get a 1-inch mod. But for now, it's good enough. It's probably better than good. And you guys know down the line, not too long ago, I had a Osmo Action. Sorry, DJI, you don't pay me, so there's no brand loyalty. If you want to sponsor me, though, then I'll take a dump on this thing. But so then, I'll be using whatever I want. Or if Insta360 wants to sponsor me for switching over from DJI, I'd rock with that, because you guys have a lot of stuff that I want. And what I don't have anymore is money, since I just blew like 10 grand. But let's get this thing open. Actually, before I open the thing, let me get a little closer. Let's get a little closer. Let's get personal. It says 5.7K 360 capture, flow state stabilization, invisible selfie stick, that hyperlapse, voice control, HDR photo and video, 4K wide angle capture, waterproof up to 5 millimeters, auto frame, auto edit, point to track, 8x slow-mo, 4x slow-mo 360, and night shot. And then on the back it has people doing stuff that I wish I could afford to do, but I really can't. So if you guys want, send money to my PayPal. PayPal.me/ImSwaggy. IMSCHWAGGY. Oh damn. Nice, huh? So it has a little lightweight battery, the 360 camera, and then it has the action cam thingy with the 4K wide angle attached to the screen, which is the main part. The screen is not interchangeable. Like, it is by side, but you have to use the screen, so you can't use the 4K action camera and the 360 camera at the same time. Put that down.
Remote camera on your car?
Yeah. And then this is charger. Let's see. USB-C. This is the case. So this is the lens protector for the 360 camera. This is, what is this?
So where are you going to put it?
Oh, it's an action camera. And I'm recording a video.
Oh.
This is, oh, this is a little mount thingy. Alright, so that goes on the bottom of this. And then, let's see. Oh, there we go. Oh, actually, we turned it on already. Let's see. Oh yeah, now it's doing all the setup stuff. So, if anything, I'll do the setup and get back to the video. Alright, so I did the setup. Oh, it's on voice control, so it's doing something. Hey, setup. I don't know what it just did, but it did something. Let's see. Oh, there we go. So now you guys can kind of see it on that tiny little screen right there. And even from this tiny little screen, it looks very good. I hope you guys can see it. But yeah, I'm gonna be playing with this thing, getting familiar with it, putting it on a charger because it only has half a battery, and I actually may use it right now and make another video. So that'll be 4 videos made in one day, so that means you guys have a lot of content to watch. But yeah, I'll be getting back to you guys in the next one. And you already know, like, comment, subscribe, share if you want. Let them know, hey, this guy just got a new camera. This guy just got like a whole new nice mount rig thingy. And he also supercharging his M3 like an idiot, and he's only at it for 2 months and change. So, like I always say, drink water, motherfuckers.